We got a good-looking '69 Mustang convertible. It's had the same owner since the early 1990s, and I have a photo album of the restoration. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. You'll find this car and a few hundred others all for sale at volocars.com. We'll have the pricing, all the specs, photos, video of each car, and there's plenty of ways to contact us because we can help you with the shipping, the financing, answering any of your questions or concerns. So go to volocars.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting a few cars a day on there, and that's the best way to see them first. So let's take this one for a spin. Beautiful blue car. You put the hood scoop on there, sport mirrors, Magnum chrome wheels with the white letter tires. So it's a good looking car. I have a photo album of the restoration. He spent $35,000 on the body restoration of this car, and here's all the pictures from the whole process. It is all metal. Any rust was completely removed and reworked. I asked him why, and he said he just enjoyed the process. He enjoyed going to the shop and chatting with the guys and watching its progress, and that's why he built it. I'm not saying it's a perfect car. There's some little dents in the trim, some chips on the edge of the door, but it's a good-looking car. It runs and drives good, and you don't have to worry about rust, trust me. It's got a nice interior with the center console. The dash pad's in nice shape. Has a white power convertible top that's in excellent shape. The bumpers are real nice. Under the hood is a 302 motor. Has the 4-barrel carb. Power steering. It's got dual exhaust going all the way out the back. It looks stock, right down to the stickers, the heat riser tube up to the air cleaner, the right fan shroud. It's all proper. The stock manifolds. So easy motor compartment to maintain and work on. Even has a leather hat that goes with the car, matches the interior. So it's a good-looking convertible. It's got a car cover in the trunk. There's touch-up paint. Looks like he has an aftermarket stereo, and the retro stereo is still new in the box. Has the jack, the spare. Under the trunk lid's painted nice. The weather strips are nice. The weather strips around the top and the doors have been replaced. We'll start it up for you. It runs real nice and smooth. So if you're looking for a nice Mustang to just go cruising and it looks nice, it's easy to drive, easy to work on, this is it. Got new window seals up there. Looks like a new windshield. So go to volocars.com to get the pricing on this and all of our cars. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us. You can call, you can email, you can stop in person. Thanks for watching.